Good morning, children. How are you all? Enjoying winter season, no? So, today we will in maths revise once again chapter number 7, that is measurement of length. Actually, in our daily or real life, measuring length is very important because as through estimation we can do that length of given things is this much, length of that thing is that much, this one. So here first of all whatever we have learned that we will revise once again, that is non-standard unit of measuring length. That non-standard unit with the help of our body parts, isn't it? In our hand we are having that this is fingers, through fingers we are measuring. Then this is handspan, through handspan we are measuring. These all are non-standard unit, okay, with our body parts. This is from elbow to finger, this is cubit, this also you have learned. And in our leg, foot span, like handspan, foot span, with the help of foot span also we measure. Then pace means one walking space, distance between two legs, that is pace. These all are non-standard unit of measuring length. Okay. Now different objects also we can use, like blocks, like paper clips, many such type of nails, then ruler. All these things we can use for measuring. These all are non-standard unit. After this we will learn standard unit, and why we use standard unit, that also we will revise once again. But before that, take a look at the board, that what is written. Chapter number 7, measurement of length, non-standard units to measure length. So first let me write which are the non-standard unit we have learned. Okay. First, on the hand side we will start. Fingers, yes, fingers, Fingers. Fingers. Then in our hand, handspan, handspan. Then cubit, that is this much, cubit, cubit, cubit. Then comes to leg, that is foot span, then pace, length between two legs, pace. So these are the non-standard unit which we use generally for measuring anything, but this may differ, because if you take measurement with your hand span, your hands are very small, that will not be same if your mother is also taking measurement with her hand, because her hands is bigger than you. So this may vary. Okay. So first let me recall all these things, and then we will discuss about this thing. Okay, through activity and exercise. Now we will take an example on this. Okay, how to use non-standard unit for measuring things. Okay, now example, measurement with non-standard units. Okay, we will see now how to measure with non-standard unit. This example, right here example. Okay, example, measurement with non-standard unit. Previously also you have done. Once again we will do. Now suppose here we are drawing one blocks. Let me draw the blocks so that you can understand. blocks here. From here we will start. Number 1. Yes. 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. 9. And then 10. Here 10 blocks we have taken. Clear? Now we will draw one pencil here. We will draw one pencil here. Okay? Let me draw it like this way. Okay? So this is a pencil. This is a pencil. Anyone ask or yes. Okay, this is a pencil. Now, if anyone asks that what is the length of the pencil, what you will say? What is the length of the pencil? Now we will count. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See. Isn't it? So, length of the pencil is right here. Length of the pencil is how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. 6 blocks. Okay. So this is one example we have taken. Length of the pencil is 6 blocks. Same way, let's take another example. This is number 2 example. So here we will draw a chain of paper clip. Yes? Let me try this way. Yes. Properly done. We draw properly paper clips. Okay. Now this is 1. Now again this is 2. Now again this is, I am not so good at drawing, 3. Now this is 4. Okay. So like this way, this is 5. So here we have drawn paper clips. Okay. This is blocks and this is paper clips. Now what you have to do, you have to draw any object so that you can measure this. So here we will draw one eraser. Take one eraser. Okay. Eraser. Eraser. If anyone asks you what is the length of this eraser, what you will say? What you will say? Length of the eraser? Yes? What you will say? What is the length of the eraser? Can you see here? Length of the eraser? This is 2 paper clips, isn't it? 2 paper clips. So we will write here length of the eraser is 2 paper clips. 2 paper clips. CLIPS. Isn't it? So this way, these all are non-standard unit of measuring length. Okay. So already we have done previously. Once again I have taken because here non-standard unit is not so much of interest. We can use this thing in our daily life, but standard units are always used in everywhere. So you have to learn properly measuring length of the standard unit. That we will do afterwards. But before that, from standard unit we have started and we will move further. Okay? Hope you have understand and revise also this non-standard units activity. Now please observe and you also do practice. Okay?